Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on the dollar yen, it still looks like this is possibly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I definitely still don't see any evidence that this wave 5 is over. Definitely no breaker structure down, no engulfing move down, no lower high. There's really nothing telling us that this could not possibly just keep on going up, continuing to make those higher highs and higher lows. Heading down to the weekly time frame, we definitely did get a very impulsive move down, and you would kind of think that this would make at least a more proper ABC correction before it went up, or maybe this really is a wave 5 and it actually starts a downtrend. But like I said, same thing about this, no lower high, no breaker structure, no reason at all to think that this potentially will not just keep going up, especially with this 1, 2, 3 shape. It looks like this should be a wave 4 and it should go up for a wave 5 of wave 5 most likely. Heading down to the daily time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down right here. Like I said, this very easily could be a wave A, or it could even end up being a wave 1. So I would watch these Fibonacci levels very, very closely. If we get a big impulsive move down, especially if it makes a break of structure, that's what will tell me that this is a wave B or 2, and that's what will tell me it's going down for a wave C or a wave 3. But until I actually see this right here, I would definitely still be looking for longs because it easily could just keep on drifting up, especially when you're talking about the yen pairs, which have been in a 4-year plus uptrend. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, still no breaker structure down, still no lower high, still looking for longs. Yeah, it definitely looks kind of like it's slowing down, but until I actually get a reason to believe otherwise, I am definitely still looking for longs. There is nothing stopping this from going up like that. Now the only thing that's going to turn me into a seller is seeing this shape right here. So, seeing that ABC shape or seeing that 3, 4, 5 shape at a Fibonacci level with a clear break of structure. So if I see an ABC or a 3, 4, 5 shape at a fib level, then I definitely will stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. Definitely do not see that as of yet though. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, to me this definitely looks more like a trend. I think it could be a wave A. This looks more corrective, like it's a wave B. I do think it is likely to go down, probably will even go down, take out those lows, but I think it's likely to be a wave C. This could even be a wave A or a wave 1. This could be making an ABC of B or an ABC of 2, go down, take out these lows, and then go back up for either a wave C or a wave 3, just like I was showing on the higher time frames. For now, I am definitely primarily looking for longs. I'm not really a short time frame trader anyways. I'm more of a swing trader, so I would prefer to patiently wait for this to go down. It doesn't even really necessarily have to go down. It could possibly just go down a little bit and just keep on going up, which is why I will not be shorting it. But instead, I will be waiting for long opportunities at the end of every single pullback I see for the continuation of what is either a 1, 2, 3 or possibly an ABC on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.